Rigatoni with parsley sauce is just absolutely delicious. It's creamy, it's buttery, it's got plenty of parsley, a little bit of garlic, and it's one of my go-tos on busy nights. So here I have a pot of boiling water to start. We're going to go ahead and drop this pasta, and we're going to season the water with some salt. Okay? And I've been making this for years. This is one of my go-tos on very busy nights. We're going to be finishing it off with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. We have parsley, lemon, more cheese, garlic, olive oil. I have butter in the refrigerator. I don't want that to melt, so that's going to stay in there until I'm ready for it. This dish comes together in about 10 minutes. 20 total once the water comes up to a boil, and you drop the pasta while that's cooking, you make the sauce, you toss it together, plate and serve. It's that simple. So what we're going to do is, in order to get the juice out of this lemon, we're going to roll. When you put pressure on it, you're releasing all the liquid inside the lemon, and it makes it easier to juice at the end. Okay, so here we have good extra virgin olive oil. Now, I don't want to burn the oil, so we're going to do this on a very low heat. So, in with the olive oil. The pan is cold. Let me grab that butter. Okay, this is a salted butter. And I like using salted for this as opposed to unsalted, because I just think it's more creamier. So we're going to go in with about 3 tablespoons. Now today I'm making this for 2 people, so I'm only doing a half a batch. I will have the recipe posted on my blog. If you noticed, on all my recipes, we just recently uploaded all new recipes on this blog, so you might want to go check that out. Make sure this is rolled. Okay, for this sauce, I want to make sure that the pasta is al dente. I do not want to cook this pasta too much, and we're going to be using some of that starchy water to make this creamy. We're going to have an emulsification on this. So we're going to give this a few minutes to melt. Once the butter melts, we're pretty much ready to go in with the pasta. Pasta is going to take about 10 minutes. So as soon as this melts, as soon as this comes up to about al dente, we will continue. So this pasta is just becoming al dente. Now the butter has melted. I'm going in with the garlic. Make sure you get all that garlic. Now I just want to make this golden, just slightly golden. That's all we're doing. Remember, when you add garlic, the darker the garlic, the more bitter the garlic. This is not like onion. When you work with onion, the darker the onion, the sweeter the onion. So we're going to slowly brown this garlic. Okay, the garlic, I could smell the garlic. We're going to go ahead and remove everything off the heat. This is just smelling fantastic. We're going to go in with the pasta. And this dish comes together in just about the time it takes to cook the pasta. So, in with the pasta. What we're going to do is the lemon juice. Let me make sure I get all these pits. Okay. Last thing you want to do is squeeze pits inside your dish. So in with the lemon. That's one. Here goes two. This is off the heat. We're going to go in with not all the parsley. I want to leave just a little bit towards the end. We're going to go in with some of the cheese, not all the cheese. We're going to work in batches here. What we're going to do, this needs to be tossed. So we're going to coat each pasta noodle with that butter, the garlic, and the oil. And we're going to make sure everything is evenly coated with the parsley. And this just, you got to smell the aroma that's coming off of this pot. This is just ridiculous. Okay. Make sure that this is nice and creamy. What we're going to do is go in with about a ladle of water. One ladle should be good for now. Okay. And again, we're going to toss. We're going to toss. Okay. Let's go in with the remainder of this cheese. And boy, already this is just looking fantastic. And what you're doing here is, the idea is for the rigatoni to finish cooking inside the sauce. And as it cooks, as it finishes cooking, it's releasing the starch. And with the starch water and the pasta releasing the starch, what's happening is it's becoming creamy. So that's what we're looking for. And boy, this just smells fantastic. Okay. And oh, we're gonna mess. See, I can't go one day without making a mess. We're gonna go in with the remainder of this parsley. Okay. Give it a good mix, and we're ready to plate and serve. That's it. We're done. Let me clean up here, and we'll plate and serve. This is just looking fantastic. We're ready to plate and serve. So grab yourself a nice dish. Grab yourself a ladle. Give it a final mix. And look at this. Just look at that. That just looks fantastic. Okay. Make sure you get enough of that sauce to cover. And boy, look at that. We are going to go in with a little more cheese. And this is just fantastic. Okay. Clean the dish. And this is ready to be plated and served. Let's grab a fork. Let's give this a test. It's as simple as that. It's quick, it's easy, it's done. Once the water comes up to a boil, 10 minutes. So let's see. It's full of parsley, plenty of garlic. I'm getting the cheese. This is just a winner. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Hope you guys subscribe. Ring the dinner bell. Give me a thumbs up. Hype the video.